Let's remain in Midlands now, where the taxi sector once again bears the brunt of local protests. Now, this comes as the MDN Taxi Association reports that their operations have been hindered by the persistent electricity protests in Midlands area. Now, the association states that it has attempted to communicate with the community members to resolve the road blockage, but they are unwilling to cooperate.
Because umphakathi thina siphila nawo la eMDN and kwenye indawo abalungu bethu sisebenza nabo maba nezinkinga abanani bayeza siyasizana but ke manje into ebhlungu njengo PRO njoba kuvaleka indlela kaSo bengizela ukuzocela nasekuseni bengila singabo sithi ukuthi sicela basiphilene eyi1 ukuthi imoto zethu zihambe zisebenze uyabo akukho private ezodlula nathi sizoba nabo la so bayasichitha ke Eskom uthi uzoza kanjani kuvalwa indlela uyasaba bazophula imoto zakhe so bengibabuza ke nje obuzwini ukuthi ngicela ukuthi it's either ngibuyele eofisini ngiyocela eofisini mali ngidedela uSherman ngiye ka Eskom eDeep Kloof ngiyobacela ukuthi sicela mangaba yisure Eskom ukuthi uyabalungisela woza sahambe nawe nathi bantu bamateksi sobakhona ngoba manje sibacelile bathi ngeke benze nix ngoba manje thina siaffectekile ngempela siyabantu bamateksi asazi ukuthi kufanele senze njani and this road it's a main road yethu main imoto yedrobheni imoto yebhara imoto iyamaponya imoto ya all over this is our main